Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a plus square root of a is equals to a by b. This is our equation first, and b plus square root of b is b by a, and we have to find the value of a and b. So here in equation number first, b is in denominator, and in equation number second, a is in denominator, so they can't be 0, so they will be greater than 0. So that's why the condition A is greater than 0 and B is greater than 0. So let's start with today's video solution. So by taking equation number 1, I'm going to multiply with B both sides. So it becomes AB plus B root A is equals to A. This is my equation number 3. And here I'm going to multiply with A both sides. So it becomes AB plus A root B is equals to B. This is my equation number 4. Now we are going to subtract 3 and 4. So AB plus B root A minus AB minus A root B is equals to A minus B. So this AB cancel. So b square root a minus a square root b is equals to a minus b. Now we know that a is equals to square root of a square and b is equals to square root of b square. We can replace. So in place of b and a, I'm going to write this. So b is square root of b square root of a minus a's square root of a square root b is equals to square root of a square minus square root of b square. So if we take out this to this side, square root of a square minus square root of b square plus square root of a square root b minus square root of b square root a is equals to 0. Now here I am going to use identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Square root of a times plus b times square root of a minus square root of b plus this left out term square root of a times square root of b, and in bracket square root of a minus square root of b is equals to 0. Now square root of a minus square root of b is common. So it becomes square root of a plus square root of b plus under square root ab is equals to 0. So these are two brackets. If this is a and if this is b, so a times b is 0. That means a is also equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. But what is given in questions that a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. So ab will be greater than 0. So let's put first bracket 2 equals to 0. Square root of a minus square root of b is equals to 0. So square root of a is equals to square root of b. If I'm doing squaring both sides, so a is equals to b. Now, from equation first, a plus square root of a is equals to a by b, and we know that a is equals to b. We solved it. So let's replace this. So a plus square root of a is equals to a by a. So a plus square root of a is equals to 1. So square root of a square plus this square root a. And if I'll take this 1 to this side, negative 1 is equals to 0. Now let square root of a is equals to t. So it becomes t square plus t minus 1 is equals to 0. Now I'm going to solve it quadratic equation. So x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is t. A is coefficient of x t square. B is coefficient of t and c is the constant. So t is equals to minus 1 plus minus under root 1 square minus 4 times 1 times negative 1 by 2 times 1. So t is equals to negative 1 plus minus under square root 1 plus 4 by 2. So t is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So t is, first value is negative 1 plus minus, square root 5 by 2. And second is t is equals to minus 1 minus root 5 by 2. We know that a is greater than 0. So t is also greater than 0. So this is negative. So we'll reject this case. Let's recall, we take as t is equals to square root of a. So replace it. So square root of a is equals to square root 5 minus 1 by 2. Now I'm doing the squaring both sides. So a is equals to, in numerator it's become identity a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab by 2 square is 4. So a is equals to 6 minus 2 root 5 by 4. If I'll take 2 as common, so 3 minus root 5 by 4. So a is equals to 3 minus root 5 by 2. And we simplify that a is equals to b. So the value of b is also 3 minus root 5 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.